I'm going to be celebrating my 30th birthday soon in July, and one of the things I promised myself is that this year, before I turn 30, I want to go on a vacation, at least one. I've never been on a vacation. The only time I've gone on any international trip or international flight is when I left Nigeria to Canada. Can you imagine? And all of that in my 30 years of life, almost 30 years of life, I've not gone anywhere. So I had to make that happen somehow, of course. So on Monday, I'm going to London. It's Wednesday and I'm still not prepared. Like, nails are not done, hair is not done. But I wanted to show you guys some of the things I bought for my trip. So let me show you guys quickly. First, I needed a new pair of shoes. So I bought these new shoes, New Balance shoes. They are so, wait, let me open them well. They're so cute. I love them. They are really very nice, and they're going to be my airport shoes. And also, this might be the only sneakers. Maybe I'll take another sneakers, you know, for walking around. I got this bag from Winners. This is $60. And this is going to be my travel bag as well. So I'm going to carry this as my personal bag and then my carry-on. You know, we can pack plenty loads, so anything we can fit in the bag. And hold on 1 second. This is all my Shein orders. It came yesterday, no, 2 days ago, but I opened them yesterday. But I want to show you guys a few things. Look at these shoes. I bought these shoes from Shein. They are so cute, but they are too big for me. Because you know, when you're buying shoes from Shein, sometimes they come really small. And because I have big feet, so I tend to always by default go for the largest one. So I went for the largest one and it's size 44. And the 44 is too big. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see them from there, but it's so big when I'm walking. You see, the thing almost pulled up and I almost fell. I think I need size 42 because that's my normal size, but I might just get 43 and see. I got these blazers from Shein. They are very cute as well. They are white. And there's a lot here that I can't show all of them in this video because I'm going to make a mess and then I'll start rearranging again. I did this yesterday. So I posted it on TikTok and Instagram. So you might go check that out if you want to see everything. But look at this sweater. I love this one. I think I'm going to travel with this one as well. Look at it. It's really very cute. I can see myself wearing this with a high-waist jean or high-waist pants and then with some boots. I think it's going to be very cute. Also got this small purse from Shein. I have a lot of purse, but I just realized I don't have a plain black purse. That's why I decided to get this one. So that might go on a trip with me. But I wanted to show you guys the glasses. Like, the quality of this glass. If you can feel this, if you can touch this, you know that the quality is really very nice. Look at this one. I have something similar to this one that I got before, but I think I like this one better. So this is the one I had before, and this is the new one. They are the same color, but this one is also good as well. I don't know, which one do you prefer? I also bought myself a new Sony headphones, and this came yesterday. They delivered this yesterday. I've not opened this. I'm going to do a different unboxing video for this, for my trip. And these were not cheap. I have to say, these were very expensive. These were about $370 something or almost $400. If they are not worth it, Amazon, people will take it back. I have to send it back to Sony. Oh my god, I got lots and lots and lots and lots of jewelries, and they're all here in this box. Should I open it? I don't want to do it. I don't want to open it. See, you have to go and see them on TikTok and Instagram because, oh my god, this is a lot of work and I still have a lot to do. I have to start doing my hair now. And of course, you know the ultimate vacation hair is boho braids or braids. You cannot wear wigs for your vacation, except maybe just a few days. But I'm going to be gone for almost 2 weeks. So I'm going to be doing boho braids, and we're not doing black this time. We are doing brown. This is going to be, this is color 4. And I already prepped them. This is 3 bundles actually. 3 bundles of 22 inches each. And I already prepped all of them. So I'm going to wash my hair now and I'm going to start parting my hair. I'll part my hair tonight, and then tomorrow I'm going to start braiding my hair in the morning and maybe do it all through tomorrow because I'm going to be busy Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I'm traveling on Monday. Can you imagine? Oh wow. But I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing to my hair. You can see my edges are starting to come out, and this is flaxseed. I just boiled it and it's still hot, so I'm waiting for it to cool down. I'm going to use that to, it's hot. I'm going to use that to pre-poo, and then I'm going to go into the shower, wash my hair. These lashes are likely going to come off, so thank god I'm filming this video now because I don't like seeing my face without lashes. So when we wash our hair, I'm going to pre-part, and then I'm going to show you guys the pre-parted hair Then tomorrow I'm going to show you guys, we're going to do the hair. I'm going to film it for you to see how we are doing and all the preparations I'm making. And my nails and lashes, I think I'm going to do my cluster lashes because my hotel has a pool, so I'm going to be doing a lot of swimming if I have the time, because it's a solo trip. Of course, I have to just do things to, you know, keep myself busy. Anyway, if you have recommendations of where you think I might like or where I might enjoy in London, just let me know. And I'll see you guys. It's not London, Ontario. For some people asking on TikTok, it's not London, Ontario. It's London, UK. And then in July, I'm also going on another trip in July. But that one is not like solid, but it's looking more and more likely. But it's not solid. So that in case I don't go, you don't say, hey, you told us you're going in July. But I'm supposed to go to Zanzibar in July. But we're going to see how that works. I'll still let you guys know, of course. So stay tuned and follow me. I'm going to be doing a lot of vlogs in this trip. I'm going to show you all the wonderful things I do. If I'll be able to do anything. I just hope I don't go to London and start sleeping because, oh my God. Anyways, I'm going to see you guys later. And don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. And don't forget to like, share. And stay tuned. Follow me on all other social media handles. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.